I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've received the wrong item from an eBay purchase, getting a refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Go to the eBay website and sign in with your username and password. This will allow you to access your purchase history and initiate the refund process. Step 2. Find the order. Navigate to Purchase History under My eBay. Locate the order for the item you received incorrectly. Click on More Actions next to the item. Step 3. Select Return this item. From the More Actions menu, choose Return this item. This will start the return process and prompt you to select a reason for the return. Step 4. Follow the return instructions. eBay will provide specific instructions for returning the item. Make sure to follow these carefully, including any shipping labels provided. Step 5. Submit your return. Once you've shipped the item back, return to the order page and confirm that you've sent it. eBay will process your refund once the seller receives the item. Remember, if the seller doesn't respond or the refund isn't processed in a timely manner, you can escalate the issue through eBay's resolution center. Good luck with your refund, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue quickly.